Hello guys, welcome back to a brand new YouTube video on the Forex Trading. So this episode I'm going to be answering the most asked question in the comments: what is leverage? So I'm going to be answering what is leverage, what is a lot size, and what is a pip, because all those things move together. What is a leverage, what is a pip? So, and these are like critical things when it comes to risk management. Most of you guys mess up with the lot size and choosing the wrong leverage, and you tend to lose so much money. So I'm going to explain what leverage is the simplest. So I'm going to do this the simplest way, guys. So make sure to watch this video from the start to the end, and if you're new around here, make sure to subscribe, give this video a like, and don't forget to share it with all your friends, guys. So let's get started with this video. This video is sponsored by Trader Central. Trader Central provides funding for traders. It provides both instant funded accounts and challenge funded accounts. So if you're a trader and you're looking for a pro firm to trade with, you're looking to trade with big numbers, check out Trader Central right now. Sign up right now with my link in description and get 30% off your first plan, guys. Let's go, Trader Central all the way. So what is leverage? In this video I'm going to explain to you what leverage is and how it affects your trading account. So in order for us to understand what leverage is, we need first understand these other aspects like pip and lot size. So what is a pip? Most of you guys have been hearing, wow, catching 20 pips in the market, catching 100 pips in the market. But if you're a beginner and you don't know what pip is, so a pip is just a unit of measure, is the unit of measurement to express the change in value between two currencies. It's called a pip, just simple as that. So I'll give you an example. Here we have Euro USD. So let's say if Euro USD rises in value from 1.1050 to 1.1051. So meaning the rise in value was just 1 pip. And now I want to show you how much 1 pip would give you. So let's say if you use a lot size of 0.01. 0.01 is a mini lot size, and this would give you 1 cent per pip. So to all of you guys that have been using 0.01 and you don't know how much it gives you per pip, if you were to catch 20 pips in the market, each pip will be worth 0.1 cent, or which you can call 1 cent per pip. So let's move on to the next lot size. Let's say if you use 0.10. 0.10 is a micro lot size. So a micro lot size would give you $1 per pip. A micro lot, which is 0.10, would give you $1 per pip. So let's move on to the next one, which is 1 lot size. So most of you guys attempt to use this lot size, but you don't know how much it gives you and how much it takes from you. So this is a standard lot size. If you didn't know a standard lot size, this is a standard lot size. So this gives you $10 per pip. So meaning this change in value, the change in value, the 1 pip, this is how much we would make from each lot size. So 0.01 would give us 1 cent, 0.10 would give us $1, and the standard lot size would give us $10 per pip. So how much 1 pip would take from you? So remember, when trading, it's always a double-sided sword. It takes and it gives. So let's say if there was a decrease in value, let's say we lost 1 pip. So 0.01 would take 1 cent from us, 0.10 would take $1 from us, and the standard lot size, which is 1, would take $10 from us. So meaning if you use any of these lot sizes and there's a rise in pip, it gives you money. But if there's a change in pip and there's value lost, it means you lose money, and this is how much you lose. So if you're a beginner trader and you've been looking at these lot sizes and just using whatever you're using without knowing the pip value, this is the right way to know, okay, this is what I'm supposed to use, depending what. So right now we're going to jump onto the lot size. So most of you guys, this is the lot size, that this one here, 0.01, 0.10 and all that. So what's a lot size? A lot size is the number of currency units you buy or sell. You get, so the number of currency units you buy or sell is a lot size. So we have standard lot sizes, mini lot sizes, and micro lot sizes, also nano lots. So as you can see down here, we have the lot size, the standard lot size, the mini lot size, the micro lot size, and the nano lot size. So we're going to jump onto these lot sizes and what do they mean. So the lot size of 0.01, which is the mini lot size. It contains 1000 units. It contains 1000 units. And then the micro lot size, which is 0.10, it contains 10,000 units. Then the standard lot size, which is 1, contains 100,000 units. So meaning, if we didn't have leverage, for someone to be able to trade in the forex market, if you are to use one standard lot size, you would need $100,000, which is impossible. You don't have that in your bank, so that's why we have leverage. Same to the 0.01 lot size. So with this lot size up here, you would need $1,000 to be able to use this lot size. And for 0.10, you would need $10,000 to trade 10,000 units. But now, since we have leverage helps us trade with small money, but we are able to control really large amounts. So if you didn't know about this, these are the standard lot sizes and how many units are worth into them. So let's jump onto what leverage is. So this is why we have leverage. So leverage is the ratio of amount capital used in a transaction to the required saturated deposit. So most times when you deposit money with the broker, it's just like a saturated deposit. So when you deposit money in your broker will offer you huge amounts depending on how much you have deposited. So leverage is just the ability to control large dollar amounts of security with relatively small amount of capital. As I've told you guys, you can deposit small money and then be able to control very large amounts of money just because of leverage. If you didn't have leverage, we wouldn't trade in the forex market. So leverage varies dramatically with different brokers, ranging from 1 to 1 to 500 to 1. So for example, I'm going to give you an example. So if you use a leverage of 1 to 100 and you had a capital of $100, you would take a trade worth $10,000. But however, remember, it's a double-edged sword, and yeah, it basically allows you to invest more than you can have in your account. So this is what I told you guys you can do. So with this example, they're saying if I chose a leverage of 1 to 100 with a capital of $100, I would be able to trade up to 10,000 units of that currency, any currency I want. I would be able to control up to $10,000 with just $100. But remember, this is a double-edged sword. You can be able to control up to that amount, but you can still lose money. And the leverage I suggest, which is 1 to 100 leverage, this is very good. It gives you money, though it takes money, but it's a good one. It's not so risky. So I'll give this as an example. As you can see, this is a small illustration. So here we have $100 and here we have $10,000. So if you deposit this and then you choose your leverage as this, you'll be able to control this. So guys, so leverage is, you just need to choose a right leverage to help you make money in the forex market. But still, don't be eager to choose a leverage, because you can definitely lose money if you have poor risk management. Yeah, with a good leverage you can make money, but with a good leverage with good risk management you can still make money. So you can see this small illustration. We have your USD. So I opened a sell trade, a sell order on all of them. So the first one has 0.01, the other one has 0.10, and the other one has a standard lot size, which is 1. But you can see the difference. When you open up at 0.01, if you're losing, you lose less. 0.10, you lose quite much, but one standard lot size, you will definitely lose more money, guys. So I want you to be able to use these lot sizes and know, okay, this is what is meant for my account and this is not what it is for my account. So guys, if you enjoyed this video about leverage, make sure to hit the subscribe button and don't forget to turn on your notification bell, because we are going to be uploading 3 videos per week. So guys, I don't want you to miss out on any of this important information. See you in my next video.